Welcome back to Raf Kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking my videos. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, guys. Our community is growing and growing. And now I want to tell you that we are 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers that has so much love for Raf Kitchen. 1,000 subscribers that Raf Kitchen has a lot of love for you guys. On today's recipe, we are going to make a 3 leches cake. Yeah, we are going to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers making an amazing cake that you are going to love it, that I'm going to love it, and everybody out there is going to love it. If you want to learn how Raf Kitchen execute this recipe, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and remember guys, if you want more videos like this, let me know and I will make it happen. Guys, if you won't try, you will know you can make it happen. Guys, these are the amazing ingredients that we are going to be using on today's recipe. And right here we have all-purpose flour, egg white, egg yolk, whipping cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, half and half milk, vanilla, baking powder mixed with a little bit of salt, and sugar. this amazing cake is already done. My tres leche cake is ready to be served. I would really recommend for you to make this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking the video. Thank you so much for leaving your comment. And thank you so much, because we are now 1,000 people in the community. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want more videos like this, let me know and I will make it happen. I will see you next time with another episode on